Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
I'm Faakhirah, this is Razwa and Hong.
We are going to demonstrate one of the ways to make a fast paper airplane. First, take a flat sheet of paper. Make sure the paper you're using doesn't already has any fold. Second, turn the paper lengthwise and fold it down the middle. Line up the corners at top and bottom and run a thumbnail down to tighten the crease. Then, unfold the paper to make the crease face down. Thirdly, take the corners and fold them down until they are even with the center creases. Fourthly, fold over the triangle made by the folded corners. And now, it will resemble an envelope.
Then, carefully fold the top corners down again until they align with the center crease. After that, fold the triangular flap at the bottom up and over the angle fold you just made to secure them. Make sure the tip of the small triangular piece is lined up with the center crease. Now fold the entire paper in half upward in the opposite direction that you made the original center fold. Then lay the paper on one side and fold the top flap down. Following that, turn the plane over and fold the other side. This will form the wings of the plane. Lastly, press the creases firmly so they'll hold. Your paper airplane is now finished.
Some tips I will be mentioning to make a better paper airplane is to make sure the paper you're using doesn't already have any wrinkles, creases, or fall on it. To keep for the plane flying straight, make sure your hand doesn't curve too much to one side. Double check the wing fold. Make sure it's flat, even, and at the same height. If the plane has a tendency to barrel straight to the ground, there may be issue on the back portion of the wing. Bend the back edges of the wing upward very delicately so that they will be able to catch the air as plane may move forward. Another common problem is that the plane arcs upward then drop out of the air. If the solution to this is to simply bend the back of the things down slightly until the plane flies straight.